A safety case helps you organize the argument that you think your system is safe. Generically, a safety case starts with a claim, which is a property of the system, such as the system avoids pedestrians. Then there's an argument as to why this might be true. For example, our autonomous vehicle detects and maneuvers to avoid pedestrians. Then there's some evidence to support the argument. There might be tests, analysis, simulations, and so on. Generally, a safety case will be pretty complex, so there'll be a number of arguments and sub-arguments. For example, there might be an argument that we detect and maneuver to avoid pedestrians. Well, the sub-arguments are we detect pedestrians, and here's some evidence to show you why that's true. And we maneuver around detected pedestrians. Here's some evidence to show you why that is true. And we stop if we can't maneuver. Here's some evidence to show you why that's true. To be sure, these can be somewhat complex. But the nice thing about having this kind of structure is you can organize all the material. You can look at small pieces, and you can build up arguments on top of other arguments to try and support your claim.